So, hi all. Today we'll discuss our upcoming batch demo session in RF optimization Ericsson system versus KPI in syllabus, where our major area is 4G plus 5G plus VoLTE and VONR. We'll cover end-to-end technology, 4G, 5G, VoLTE and VONR, and its optimization technique based on counters and parameters. So let's see the syllabus part what we are going to cover. This course is especially designed for field engineers, RF engineers or RNOs, mostly those who are working in third party payroll companies like Telesia, NR Switch, Linkwist Telecom, Vedang, Mobilecom, Steelman, and so many third parties company working in India with less pay. So mostly this course was designed for those who are working on field or are drive test engineer, report maker can join this course to grow in your career. This training is majorly focused with Ericsson vendor, where we'll take all Ericsson parameters and counters based KPI along with technology. So, in next slide, we'll discuss what we are going to cover in terms of trainings. So, table of content. The first topic will cover LTE basic. In LTE basic, we'll cover LTE architecture and its node functionality. We'll discuss later. Then, in second things, 5G basic, we'll discuss more about the 5G, why 5G comes, 5G benefits, 5G, etc. in the next slide. Then third, we'll discuss VoLTE basic along with VONR comparison. What is VoLTE? VoLTE is VONR call flow and its validation and its optimization. Then we'll focus on counter level optimization. What is counter? What is the meaning of counters? Different counters for different KPIs. So we'll discuss into the deep about the counters. Then we'll focus on parameter tuning. What is the parameter? What is the meaning of parameter? For which KPI, which parameter need to be tuned? So we'll discuss every parameter like accessibility, retainability, mobility, integrity, in which KPI we have to optimize our KPI based on our parameter tuning. So we'll discuss parameter in detail. Then we'll discuss in deep Ericsson features. Mostly in interviewer they will ask about the Ericsson features like CSFB, SRBCC, carrier aggregation, MCPC. We'll discuss the more in the upcoming slides. So in LT basic, mostly we'll discuss the LT architecture and its node functionality and its interfaces. Then we'll discuss deep LT like it's a TDD, FDDD, OFDMA, SCFDMA, cyclic prefix, non-cyclic prefix, like topic we'll discuss. Then we'll discuss LT call flow. In LT call flow, we'll not only discuss in theoretical expectation, also we'll discuss into the detail like this is the LT architecture call flow validation. We'll discuss not only theory with the help of tool like this tool. With this type of tool, we'll take the help of tool so that you will never forget the call flow. what is the RRC connection setup, request and complete security mode, and everything will discuss into the detail, so that you will always remember about the call flows and everything. Also, with this help of tools, we'll discuss health LT layer 3 analysis. Suppose the call drop happened. So, for which region call drop happened? What is the source cell? What is the target cell? What is the RSRP on that condition? The like based on our handover preparation, execution pace, and the rage failure happened. So everything will discuss with the help of tool layer 3 analysis. Then we'll go for after the LT basics and call flow and layer 3 analysis will move for the LT KPI. What is the KPI? What is the accessibility? What is the retainability? What is the mobility? What is the integrity? What is the throughput? What is the availability? Everything will discuss based on the Excel, and we'll discuss about the counter based KPI. Suppose in a accessibility we are looking the RAT, we are looking RRC setup success rate, we are looking S1 session setup success rate. Then we'll discuss ERAP setup success rate. So each topic will discuss into the LT KPI. This is a part of accessibility. Similar in retainability, mobility, HOSR. So everything will discuss into the detail. What is RAGE? What type of RAGE? CVRA, CFRA. Why when CVRA used, when CFRA are used, we'll discuss into the detail. Also, we'll take the help of tools to like this is the LT KPI, total traffic, HSI total traffic, max DL throughput, PR utilization, average connected user. So everything will discuss into the detail. What is QPSK 16 QAM? So like this, we'll discuss into the detail. Category of the KPIs. What is the meaning of this KPI? So everything will discuss into the detail. So don't forget about this. After this learning, you will go for the Ericsson, Nokia, MDocs, operator. Like you can prepare accordingly. Then we'll discuss counters. Which counter for which KPI are using. Like this is the counter. Ericsson setup success rate, RRC setup success rate, S1 signaling setup success rate, RAP setup success rate. If any issue here, the KPI is degraded. What is the issue? We'll identify the based on our counters. So everything will discuss into to the detail. After counter learning, we'll go for parameters. For which parameter, for which KPI we have to change the parameters. The compiled list of parameters we have, like parameters like electrical tilt. To improve the accessibility, we have to change electrical tilt. To improve the accessibility, we have to change the CRS gain. So we'll discuss what is the CRS gain, what is the meaning of RX level mean, what is the meaning of PDCS type gain, what is the meaning of what is electrical, what is mechanical, what is the electrical tilt, what is the mechanical tilt. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. So don't worry about it. Let's focus on the syllabus part. Then we'll discuss soft optimization process, how we can optimize. So remote optimization, we can optimize the site, we can raise the CR based on data performance. So we can raise the CR. CR is the change request, and we can send to the our customer for approval After approval, it will be requested to change it into the system. After changing the, we can analyze the pre and post KPI, right? After the optimization or after the changes of parameters, our KPI is improved or not, either improved or degraded. So everything will discuss into the detail about the process. Then we'll discuss how to use mycom, how to face the report on day wise when or weekday or 24 hour or 15 days, 7 days, or hourly or day wise. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Then we'll focus how to log in the site, how to log in the Ericsson system, and which command are required to log in the site, how to check the alarms. Also, we'll discuss with the real time application, how to do troubleshooting into the tools. Also, we'll discuss how to reload the site, how to log the sector, how to improve the system. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Also, we'll take some real time case study for your guidance, so that you will be more focused based on that real time case study. In interview, they will ask based on the whatever you are doing right now in your day to day activity. Also, will discuss that will help to crack the interview. Then we'll focus with another technology like 5G. In 5G, we'll discuss into the detail. We'll discuss what is the 5G, what is the 5G use case, and its deployment options. So different options are available into the market for 3VP, and which deployment options are adopted in operator side. What is NSA? What is SA? What is the 3A, 3X, 4A, 4D? Mostly Ericsson is used the 3X deployment model. So we'll discuss what is the key features of 5G, what is the NSA model description, 5G node functionality we'll discuss. Also we'll discuss the 5G NSA call flow. Then we'll move into the 5G KPI. In 5G KPI also we'll discuss the Excel based database, the KPI like 5G KPI counters will discuss Ericsson NR, MAC throughput, success rate, CBR rate, CFRA, Ericsson Max RRC connection user, cell availability, average RRC connected user, NRDL MAC throughput, NRHSSI, NR total PDCP traffic, PUSCH, RSSI will discuss. So everything will discuss based on the counters. Also, we'll discuss parameters, what parameter we have to change for which counters or for which KPI pro improvement. Also, we'll discuss into the detail. After counter, we'll discuss parameters. Same, we'll discuss case study, so that you will be more beneficial or you will be interview ready resource for the Ericsson or any companies. Then also we'll discuss the VoLTE call flow. Then we'll discuss VNR call flow into the detail. Also, we'll discuss some SIP call flow, so that you will be more beneficial about the technology and its call flow. Also, we'll take the help of tools so that we can validate in one time. Then we'll discuss VoLTE KPI. What is VoLTE draw? What is VNR draw? For which QCI is QSCI 1 or 2? We'll discuss into the detail. Then we'll discuss VoLTE parameters and counters related, for which parameter we have to change for which KPI. Then also we'll discuss this case study. Different case study will take for example for real time scenarios. Then we'll discuss into the detail counter level optimization, Ericsson counter description based on counter parameter optimization. Then we'll discuss post CR, then pre and post analysis. Then in fifth, parameter tuning, soft parameter optimization process based on actual case study. Then we'll discuss Ericsson features like CA, LMS, ANR, CSFB, and many more. Automation, never relation, efficient DRX, interfrequency load balancing, interfrequency LT handover, data forwarding and intra LT handover, multi control at poor coverage, multiple radio wearer as per user, PCI conflict, PDCCR power host, maximum cell range. So everything mostly we'll discuss 50 plus Ericsson features. We'll discuss 50 plus features. We'll discuss into the detail, like some basic intelligence connectivity, like features of 5G capable via ideal mode control, enhanced PDCCSLA, carrier aggregation, dynamic cell selection, 5 DL carrier aggregation, 4 downlink carrier aggregation, 3 downlink carrier aggregation, ENDC triggered handover during setup, LTNR DL aggregation, LTNR UL aggregation, massive MIMO, mid-band, TWA MPI indicator, downlink multi-user MIMO mid-band will use with the 4G and 5G. And also we'll discuss each feature's impact. Then we'll discuss how to log in the site, how to check the alarm, what is the command for using. So everything we'll discuss into detail so that in interview you feel like you are working in Ericsson system, they will hire you in good package. Also, we'll discuss how to fetch performance report through MyCom OS. I will try to showcase the real-time scenarios and how to fetch the report. So we'll discuss into the details. So don't worry about it. So after completion, of course, we'll take your mock interview so that you will be ready for job or ready for the interview. And the 10th topic is a bonus. You will get 4G, 5G, VOLTE, VNR, complete interview preparation, question and answer. Also, in question answer, ORAN also included so that you will be clear your interview in first round. So in last or many the previous batch are student, mostly all students got placed in Ericsson, Nokia, Airtel, VIE, Tejas, TCS, UST Global. Lots of organization is hiring. Also the US client is working from remotely from India. So lots of opportunities available in the market. So are looking to enhance your career, you can join this course. Like you are doing drive test 2 year to 10 year, you are not good into the your profile. You are RF engineer, you are doing report making, you are doing coordination, you are working as a project manager in third party companies. Also you can join if you are RNO, you are working in third party or off role employee, also can join this course, will be more helpful to grow in your career. So 300 interview question discussion, CV preparation, minimum 2 interview call after course completion will provide. So thanks for watching this video. Hope we'll connect in future, and the next batch will be mid of April. The April which batch will be weekdays. Weekend batch is already running, so no weekend batch in April. Weekend batch is only May. So those who are interested, you can join. You can connect with our team, Mr. Sugan, Mr. Deepak, and you can reach out to our visit our website and email. And this is address. And those who are happy in telecom job, if your package is good, go for protocol testing course where you will get more into the technology, all relevant tool like QXDM, QCAT, ELT, all MediaTek and Qualcomm based tool are available. Also, you can go for the learning. Thanks for watching this video.